is this. What's up, guys? So welcome back. Same channel, different name. It's now Green Rhino Project, not Green Rhino Carpet Clean, because it's gonna be what I intended it to be for a while. Is more of an entrepreneur channel, but I'm highlighting what I do for a living on most of the content. But business tips and just different things I want to implement into the channel. I'm gonna get a lot more better with my editing. You know, I'm just gonna bring this to another level. So on this first video of the new name, Green Rhino Project, I want to give you the number one tip for success in business. The number one tip for success in business is this. Not really. What we need to do as business owners is remember this. We need to do what other businesses are not doing.
In 2 miles, take exit 222 onto
For a
Delaware.
fair price. Number 2, copy successful people. And if you got to pay for that, pay for it. Number 3 is approach every job like it's your job interview. This particular customer was so impressed with the job I did for one of the relatives that they seen the results, and that apparently the customer was so ecstatic because they thought they were going to have to replace the carpet that they seen it and they said, you know what, next time we need a cleaning, we're calling this guy. And so they called me up. So she told me that over the phone when booking the appointment. So yes, every job's like a job interview. You never know what it's going to turn into. Putting down my rugs for drying my feet off in and out of the house and in and out of rooms and corridors, of course. Some people don't use these things, you guys, really. Of course, I did vacuum. So there's a few pet stains, not a lot, so I'm not charging for enzyme. Just gonna go ahead and treat these. Overall, the carpet's not bad condition at all. Easy clean. So I'm going to put a little bit of deodorizer in, just a couple ounces. So I'm not charging for that. Just got a musty smell in the house, just like a dust smell. So I'm just going to freshen it up. These carpets haven't been cleaned in like 10 years. Amazing because they look great. Alright, all finished up. So I'm going to be doing some area rugs, so I'm turning down the PSI to 300. Here they are, I'm not showing the footage, but here they are out of the direct sunlight for drying. Tip, guys. If ever my truck mount breaks down, I have this 175 to do VLM backup. Shoe covers for the customers, and hit the finish on my app to let the customer know I'm all finished up. This is a must-have, guys. Customers love it. And the last step, give a little. It's funny how the universe works. Law of attraction stuff here, guys. You find when you start giving a little, you start getting a little. I mean, it might not come back to you immediately, but something's gonna come back to you. So start giving a little, guys. Matter of fact, I just finished up this job and they gave me a brand new leaf blower. Hey, real time. All right, see you in the next one. Think I finally found a better way. Think I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below. All my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also.